How to create a parallax scrolling effect in Flutter. For the parallax effect, you overlay different widgets and let them scroll at a different speed. Here in my case, I have 4 images. You can use any other widgets, of course. Overlay them and let them scroll with a different speed. The different speed is achieved by calculating an offset for each widget at every scroll position. At first, I define the path to the images. Then I start with a single child scroll view, giving it a scroll controller. Inside the single child scroll view there's a column, contains 2 parts. One is the parallax part, as you can see here, while below that we can continue with a normal list. In my case, the normal list is just one container. How is the parallax part done? The parallax part is wrapped in a sized box. We need a sized box because inside of it we have a stack, and inside of the stack we have elements with a position widget. If we wouldn't give the stack a defined height, we will get a runtime error. Therefore I use the image offset and image height and number of my images to calculate the height of the part of the parallax effect. Inside of the stack I build a for loop through my image list and created a parallax list item widget. What's inside of the parallax list item widget? Initial top offset, which I use to stack these images at a different height. That's the height for the image, the scroll controller to get a scroll offset, the image path of course, and the index and max index. I need the index and max index to calculate the difference in scrolling speed for each item. The build method starts with a positioned widget, initial top offset. Very important, I need an animation builder. Why? Because the offset for the parallax effect to achieve the different scrolling speed is calculated anytime it scrolled a bit. So anytime the scroll controller is triggered, the parallax offset has to be recalculated. Parallax offset is calculated based on the scroll controller offset. The parameter defines how fast the speed difference to the cursor scroll speed is. Then I multiply this with the index. In this case I use the max index minus the current index of the widget. I make it this way around so that the last widget, which is the purple mountain, moves with the speed of my scroll cursor, while every other item moves with a different speed. How is the parallax offset applied? It's applied with a transform translate widget, and then this contains just the image. That's how to create a parallax scroll effect in Flutter. Check the code out in GitHub. If you have questions, let me know, and see you next time.